Hello English learner. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we provide you with some exercises to practice your speaking skills. In exercise 1, we will practice together using the shadowing method. You don't have to wait until it's over. Instead, you speak at the same time with it, trying to copy the rhythm and tone of the dialogue exactly. At first, it can be a bit tricky, but you'll get used to this method. Just like singing along to your favorite song. In exercise 2, we will use the duet method. And finally, we will answer some questions out loud to improve your ability to think and speak in English. Are you ready? Let's get started. In the first exercise, I want you to listen and try to copy exactly the rhythm and the tone of the dialogue. Don't be afraid to make mistake, okay?
Ben, I need you to complete this file by today. I see, sir. It will not take much time, no worries at all. Okay. By the way, your son seems to be very nice. Oh, wait. I don't have a son. I just have a daughter. Did you forget that? No, I mean, son. The picture on your phone case. Ah, I see. My wife bought it for me, so I love it so much. What a sweet boy. Hi, honey. Hi, Ben. Are you going to come home on time? I'm not sure, but I'm not working overtime today. Everything is almost completed. Great. If you return before 6, can you please go to the supermarket to buy flour for me? Sure. If I can't, I will text you. Thanks, honey. Back to work. Yeah, talk later. Love you. Oops, there is a heavy wind. It is going to rain, so I need to be quick. Oh my gosh, my hat. Excuse me. Do you see my blue hat? Blue hat? No, I just picked up a brown hat. Yes, that's it. My hat is brown. I mean blue, not the color blue. Ah, I see. Here you are. Thank you so much. Quickly, it is going to rain in an hour. That's bad. Bye.
Good job! Let's move to the next exercise. So now you're in the conversation. I'm gonna read my lines, and you'll read your lines on the screen. Here we go.
So beautiful. Thank you, my darling. You're so sweet. come on. You are doing well. I am always happy with you. I wanted to make some cakes, but you know... But it's raining outside. We can go out next time. Daddy, Daddy! I'm in my room. Daddy, Daddy, my pear is extremely perfect. Pear, Daddy, pear. Anne and me, we won 3 games in a row.
Yay!
Find the princess. Do you want to play with me? No, Anne is also a beginner, but we still won many trophies. Don't you go to your company? Perfect! Mommy, will you join us? Absolutely. Sophia, do you want to help me prepare dinner? Sure! They're as pretty as you are. For you. I promise I will take care of you and our family better. So, what will we have tonight? Do you want to eat out? Okay, I promise. Sweetie, where are you? What? This is not pear season. Honey, I also love pear. Why didn't you tell me?
Yay!
Which game did you play with Anne? Is it hard for the beginner? Great. We will play this weekend. No, I will be home with you. Then we will go eating out. Absolutely. Now, I should go to change my clothes. These are so uncomfortable. Sophia, do you want to help me prepare dinner?
One. On the way home, what happened to Ben? The wind blew away Ben's hat. 2. What did Rachel ask Ben to buy? She asked Ben to buy her some flour. 3. What did Ben mishear? Ben misunderstood that his wife said to buy flowers. 4. Why is there confusion about these words? Because they are homophones, which means a word that is pronounced the same as another word but has a different meaning or spelling. 5. What are Ben's family's weekend plans? They will play together, go eating out this weekend.
Okay, so that's the end of today's lesson. Repeating and shadowing dialogues is a great way to improve your speaking skills in a foreign language, as it helps you become more familiar with the natural rhythm and intonation of the language. Recording yourself can also be an effective way to identify areas where you need to improve, such as pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Overall, consistent practice and repetition are key to improving your speaking skills in a foreign language.